Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a large card making kit for you by Polkadoodle. So let's get started. So first I would like to show the kit to you. So in this large kit you will get 20 6x6 white cards and 20 envelopes. So that's the start off. There is also a sticker sheet with sentiment stickers. Then there are several doilies that you can use. And then you get these toppers, the topper papers for the cards. And they are cut so that it leaves just a very small white edge around the card. Now you get 25 of these topper sheets, and let me show those to you because they're different. So you have several of the same design. So here we have this framed topper where then you can build your scene with just the beautiful flowers, the bow. So here again you have this frame. In this frame here you have all the beautiful teapots and teacups and this little girl sitting there on the cup. So that I can see as a cute invitation to a children's tea party or birthday party. So cute. So those are those, and then you also have then different backgrounds. So these are the same, but then you have different backgrounds, and like I said, there's 25 altogether. You got some muted ones, and of course you don't have to use those. You can actually make cards with those too if you like to, but again they fit perfectly on this white cardstock. You got these muted clogs. Okay, so these are the papers. Actually it's cardstock, it's not paper, to add to your cards. And then you got these die cut sheets. And I believe, if I remember right, there are probably, I don't know if there are 10 in here. Let's see. So you do have an inspiration sheet right here. So this is the company, the Polkadoodles. And I believe this little girl is called Winnie. So let's take a look, excuse me, what we got here. Oh, and things are already flying off. So there's these die cut sheets are very nicely cut. See, they already come out. And I just lost this tag up here. Where did it go? Okay, here it is. So you always have bigger toppers and then all these embellishments. Look at this little wand here, or this border treatment. All kinds of leaves and flowers, and you have tags. So these are wonderful die cut sheets that you can then make your cards with. And these girls come in different varieties. Here you got a dark hair girl, you got a brown hair girl, you got a blonde. So you can use this little girl to make beautiful, like I said, birthday cards, invitations. So there's 3. This is number 4. Yeah, I had fun making these. I don't make children cards that often, but this one here was real fun to make. And again, these all come out. So there is a lot of, when you cut all this out, there's a lot of ephemera. Look at this beautiful head. And if you don't use the girl, then you can even make adult cards, you know. They're just a little, you know, cartoon-like, but they make cute little, I just love that. Yeah, so you have 10 of these die cut sheets in different color families. So there's pink, and then there is purple, and all these tags. Just imagine you can make small cards, you can make note cards, you can make a little writing set for a child as a birthday gift. So maybe for your granddaughter. Love that. So this is your set, and now let's look at the cards that I have made. So here is my first card, and I used it just like it was intended. I have this layer outside. I added the doily. I added this little girl. Here is the head. The teapot, I put a little glaze on there to make it look like it's porcelain. And then down here you have all this laid out tea party equipment. Added a little bit of glaze and glitter. And then what I have also done inside, I added a piece. You have 25, so you have more than that you need for your 20 cards. So you can write your note there. So I thought that was really fun to put these together. And here is my next card, and this is a happy birthday. So I believe these happy birthday, this is all coming, this is part of the packs. You have sometimes little sentiments in there, but you also have the sticker sheet with sentiments right here. So yeah, I had fun putting these little tea party this equipment together, the teapot and the cake, and here's a little flower, and again inside it's repeated. I can see that as a stationery kit. Actually, that's something that I may still do, because I have obviously a lot left. I only made 5 cards, and I have a lot of material left. So maybe a stationery kit or 2 that I can give as a gift to a small child that just learned how to write and can maybe write a couple cards to her friends, or thank you cards when gifts arrive, etc. Here I use those tags in a combination of 2 tags together. I always use a little bit of foam tap, so to bring it up on the card. Here I used this background ribbon that I have. So you can add, of course, if you want to, or just use what's in the kit. Okay, and there is another one. So you can see all the different colors here for the kids. And I think that also works, for kids of all colors. And they're so cute. They all have red cheeks still. And here we got these beautiful tea-themed dishes. Alrighty, and then this card I showed to you last week. This is the one that I made with this frog pack of easy 3D toppers. The I think they were called the Friendly Frogs. I'll link them below. But you can see that you don't have to necessarily use these papers with these embellishments. They also match, of course, other embellishments that you may have in your stash. So I have this wonderful little frog here on a birthday card, and it's time to celebrate. Comes from the Paper Boutique embellishment pack that has all these sentiments in there that I can now use throughout the year. So this card making kit is available in limited quantities and it is currently on sale. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked this kit. I hope you liked my cards. If so, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I'll thank you so much. This is all I have for you today, so please stay or get well and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye!